cute looks. What y'all think? What y'all think? Hold on, let me stand up. Let me stand up. All right, y'all. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Peachy Fresh. Today, I wanted to try something different. I've been seeing this whole slick ponytail look going on for quite a while, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a go. So today, we are doing a slick ponytail today on all this hair. Like, you think all this hair is going in a ponytail? We'll find out. So, to start off, I have a few products that I'm gonna try to slick my hair down. Obviously have some gel, I have some cocoa butter or cocoa cream, some edge control, and a few other things to go ahead and slick it down. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you all have seen me use this product in a ton of my other videos. I really like this because obviously I've had it for a while. This is the cocoa cream. There we go. Cocoa cream curl enhancing moisture butter. And I'm gonna use this to try to slick down my hair as much as I possibly can. Why am I wearing a long sleeve? I was trying to look cute. It's 100 degrees today. I'm okay. Okay. Alrighty. I'm excited now because I got my ponytail slicked down. I didn't think that I could do it. I don't know why. All this hair, it's a lot of hair. I posted on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, follow me at Peachy Fresh. That's my Instagram. I be posting, you know, photos. I gotta get my photo game up and like post a lot more cool pictures and cute pictures and like the whole aesthetic thing. But right now I'm still trying to grow my following so I can obviously grow my following here on YouTube as well. But I posted on Instagram that I'm gonna be changing my hair. I'm getting my hair done on Saturday, and I'm going for, you know, obviously a different look, a more lighter, brighter, cuter look. And hopefully stay tuned to my Instagram because I'm probably gonna post it on there first. Because like I said in the other video, my birthday is coming up soon, so I'm looking forward to getting a new look. All right, I think we got the slicked part down. So I got the slicked part down pretty well. What do y'all think? So now the challenge is to get all this hair in a ponytail. So let me show y'all what I have planned. I am going for this whole ponytail look. So I have some Rast A ponytail. This is just in the color T1B/33. And I'm gonna do like a long ponytail situation to look cute or whatever. I ain't got nowhere to go, but you know, we gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna figure out this ponytail situation. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, this is the hair. Let me back up so y'all can see. And it kind of matches with my hair. Kind of goes. Basically, the idea is to blend this with my natural hair and create a ponytail look. Cute ponytail look, giving you Kelly Rowland slash Yara Shahidi slash Sade vibes. I need help. Okay. So now somehow I gotta blend this in with my real hair. And this is a challenge because I don't quite know what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep this one here. I'm just gonna wrap this around. Maybe I should watch a tutorial or two to figure out what to do. Okay. Stand by, stand by. All right, y'all, so I had to go and tweak a few things because what I had going on just was not working. So now I'm back with my braided beauty. And this is what it looks like. So basically, let me tell you what I did. The whole thing that I was doing before, we just put in a little bun. My bun was way too big. I have too much hair. So I had to blend my real hair in with the ponytail or the fake hair. So you could probably tell a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and flip around so you guys can see the back and what it looks like. So this is the ponytail. It's a little stiff, but this is what it looks like up close. It kind of goes. I was thinking I was gonna wrap like some hair around the ponytail part, or the ponytail holder part. Hair, this is the same thing. So I'm thinking what I'll do is take some of the hair from this pack and just wrap it around my ponytail to give it like more of a sleek, more refined, cute, put together look. Then I'm gonna go take some pictures, hopefully like in the park or something. It was pretty smoky this morning. So I don't know. I'm just gonna, and this hair, look at it. It's just so, I don't know why I smelled it, but I wonder if I can just take this whole, would that be too weird? Take the whole thing and wrap it around? No, I'm just gonna take a small piece. If I can figure out how to take this off without knotting the hair too much.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Did I mention this wasn't a tutorial? Okay. So let's just secure the ponytail. Stick that in there. And we're going to, I gotta go back and do my edges. My baby hairs, they don't look that cute, but we gonna make it work. We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Okay, let me stop playing games. already. So I can't tell what it looks like, but like, does it look cute? Does it look cute? I look cute. Oh, I cracked myself up. I feel like I like this side better. It just. Ooh, sorry you looked. What y'all think? What y'all think? Hold on. Let me stand up. Let me stand up. I'm silly. Okay. All right, y'all. So that is going to be the final look. Did I mention this wasn't a tutorial? Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I loved and enjoyed making it. Like I said, this is my first time doing a slick back ponytail situation. I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my next videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, that was really cringy. Just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. Thanks so much. Peace.